Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be sharing with you some signs or changes in your mood or body indicating you need to detoxify your system. So if you're facing one or two of these signs I'll be sharing with you today, know it is time for you to detox your system. So what is detoxification? Detoxification is the process of flushing or deep cleaning, removing toxins out of your system. And so, how do those toxins get into your system in the first place? That is due to the chemicals we consume these days through foods grown with the use of fertilizers, pesticides used in spraying food with to preserve them from not getting bad, or even the preservatives used to preserving food for longer shelf life we buy these days, and we know 90% of the foods are preserved so they can stay longer in the shelf. So you indirectly consume chemicals into your system, mimicking your hormones now, causing deadly illnesses, diseases, and hormonal imbalance. So if you notice you have digestive issues, like you always feel bloated, you are unable to digest your food, know it is time for you to detox your system. If you have acne, skin issues, your skin always look dull, flaky, and not fresh, know it is time to clean your system from the inside, because when your skin is clean from the inside, it reflects outerly. If you have hormonal imbalance as well, know it is time for you to cleanse your system. Poor energy levels, you always feel tired, and you experience weight gain and difficulties to lose weight, know it is time for you to detox your system. You always feel sleepy when you get to work, like always tired and depressed, know it is time to detox your system. It is very important to detox your system. If you notice too, you are feeling sore, always like unexplained tiredness, know it is time to cleanse, to boost your system, because you need to be active to work. You don't need to go to work and be sleeping. If you always feel like sleepy, dizzy, and unnecessarily tired, know it is time to detox. Or you always feel like drinking coffee with a lot of sugar, you are addicted to sugar, you always feel like eating carbs or a lot of sugar, know it is time for you to detox your system. If you equally always feel like you go to the restroom, you always feel like bloated, you can't like poop or pass out, you face difficulties, know it is time to cleanse your system, so you don't end up with all the deadly illnesses causing untimely death and the rest. So, as I mentioned, indigestion, cravings for food, you feel like eating a lot of carbs, your head always feel foggy, you face difficulties concentrating, your head is always clouded, know it is time for you to detox. So, what are the foods, the best foods to use to detox? Grapefruit, I always share the juice made with grapefruits, beetroots, carrots, green tea, apples. You have cauliflower, avocados, lime, lemon, spinach, garlic, cabbage. You have avocados, garlic, turmeric, ginger. All those are the best you need to start consuming to detox your system. I have a playlist of so many drinks you want to make yourself at home. My ginger juice, turmeric drink, garlic drink, lemon drinks. You want to start drinking all those detox and cleansing drinks to flush all those toxins out of your system, causing all the havoc, making you to be always weak, difficulties to lose weight, having hormonal imbalance, unexplained tiredness, difficulties to sleep, and the rest. You want to cleanse your system from all those toxins causing premature death, deadly illnesses that will make you to die before your time, or you spend a lot of time in the hospital and money treating them. So I hope somebody finds this video helpful. Thumbs up if you find the video helpful, and see you again in my next video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and bye.